So from today we are looking at one of the playlists, that is the array playlist I'm going to make. So there I'm going to solve the top 50 array coding problems for interviews. So if you want these problems, you just type in array problems, then you get the Geeks for Geeks website, and there is top 50 problems. That is what we are going to solve today. So in each and every video I'm going to make 50 videos on each and every problems. So if you want an answer, you can visit my video. I would be making a separate playlist for this array. So let's start it. So peak element, that means an element is called peak element if its value is not smaller than the value of its adjacent element. That means you need to return an element which is a peak. That means its neighbor should be smaller than itself, right? Given the array and size is also given, return the index of any one of its peak element. That means there can be many peak elements, right? There can be many. You need to return only the one index value. So int type I need to return. So the generated output will always be 1 if the index that you return is correct. Otherwise the output will be 0. Okay. Now for this test case, let's see, the n value is 3 and array is 1 to 3, and you are returning what? 1. That means index value 1 means what? Sorry, possible answer is 2, right? 2 means what? Index 2 we are talking about. Index 2. So that value is 3. So 3 is greater than 2, right? So if the element is first or it is last, then it will have only one neighbor that you need to consider. So that could be our base case, right? Then I need to return if it is greater than its neighbor. So let me check for the first element and last element. So they are giving me the array and size of the array. So if this array is there, right? So its first element, if it is greater than its next element, then you return me 0, right? Else if ARR of n minus 1 means last element, if it is greater than ARR of n minus 2, that means you need to return me n minus 1, right? Else what you need to do is you need to traverse through this array. So from starting from first index I'm going, then I will reach till which index? n minus 2, right? n minus 2 I'm going to reach. So I'm not reaching n minus 1 because I have already tested this n minus 1 case. So then I plus plus. So so let us go from 2, right? 2. Okay, no, it is right. We need to go from first, that is the first index. So if this index, if it is greater than ARR of I minus 1, and at the same time if it is this ith index is greater than ARR of I plus 1, you return me what? You return me this I, return, return me this I, right? That's it, and it should work. So let's compile and let's see whether we had made in. So compilation completed, your output expected. Okay, let me submit. So let's see all the test cases will be passed or not. So all the cases are passed. So this is about the first problem. So thank you.